Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the types of nanostructure and properties of nanomaterials. It is an important parameter for the nanomaterials because based on the properties only we are choosing the nanomaterial. In that the mechanical, physical, and the chemical properties are most important in the all the materials, all the properties of materials, because every material having the mechanical and physical and the chemical properties are most important for the properties. And the mechanical properties are mainly the mechanical properties. The most important one is the nanomaterials increase the width of decreasing the size, because smaller in the size and lesser in the probability of finding the imperfection such as dislocation and also vacancies and grain boundaries. These are the main mechanical properties. And the strength of the mechanical properties to improve the significant in the practice size and also practice size, practical size, and also to decrease the um, perfect defect in the free surface, and also hardness and yield of strength of materials also increase the practices in size of is decreases, and also the elastic modulus and toughness of the material also is increasing as the practice size decreases. So these are the main properties of mechanical. Mainly the strength of mechanical is improved, and the hardness and difficult yield, hardness and yield of the strength and the elastic models, these are all the decreases. These are all the main mechanical properties. And the physical properties, they mainly the size, shape, and the composition, crystal structure, and the surface, like ligands or capping agents, and the medium which is dispersed. These are all the main parameter for the physical properties. In that, the shape, shapers, rods, plots, platelets, etc. We can use it. And the size also, maybe small, or maybe bigger, maybe very small. So it may be a tiny one. The size is also very important. Depend upon the this particle physical properties, it will be changed the properties like shape, composition, size, crystalline structure, surface, ligands, or capping agents. These are all the main important parameter for the physical properties, because based on the physical size, the physical properties, the metal size or metal property will be varying, because the strength of material and the strength of the composite, it will be varying. The physical properties, the crystal structure of the nanoparticles are the same in bulk structure with the different lattice parameter, because the nanoparticles are arranged in the crystalline structure with the lattice format. So it's like it's arranged in the chain by chain process, like, so that it will be arranged in the crystal structure with the nanoparticle in the same bulk structure within the different lattice parameter. There are the inter-atomic spacing decreases, because the space of the atomic, that is interconnectivity of the atom, so it will be decreases, so that the size of and the range of electrostatic forces is reduced, because the core repulsion is reduced. So and then the melting point of nanoparticle is decreases with the size, because the melting point of the nanomaterial is also varying if the size of the physical properties is changed. So automatically the melting point also will be decreases, because based on the size only the properties will be changed. The chemical property is also most very important parameter, because the electronic structure of nanoparticles is depends in the size, and the ability of the nanoclusters to react depends on the cluster size. So cluster size, the chemical properties also change, because it will react like it's a cluster react where we are giving the electronic structure in the nanoparticle. It will be varying the size and ability. So the cluster size also plays a major role, and the large surface area volume, the ratio, the variations in the geometry and the electronic structure of the nanoparticles have strong effort, and catalytic properties is also changed. These are the main parameter of the chemical properties. So physical property, chemical property, and remaining properties is very important, because based on the properties only the surface and materials of the electronic material, the nanomaterial properties and the durability changed on the different parameters and the properties. Thank you.